So it is pleased to meet you in order to correct the pronunciation of some of our daily companion words. The word number one we can see here is M-A-R-E. This word is pronounced as mare. Don't say mere. Look at how you pronounce it. Mare. We are going to look at the difference between this word and this word. This one is what? Mare. But this one is mere. It's spelled what? M-E-R-E. So this one mare, then the other one should be what? Mere. This mare is an animal, or is what is gender, is feminine gender of what you call horse. That is mare. For instance, the mare is running in the field. The mare is running in the field. Is what? Is the feminine gender of horse. It's called mare. But the second one is mere. What is mere? When you say, it's just like you say just, or only, or no more than. Just mere desire. By mere looking at this one, you say mere, not mere. Then the next one is what? Fair. How do we pronounce this one? Fair. This one we say fair. Look at how we pronounce it. Fair. Then the second one should be what? Fear. We have fair and fear. This one is fear. This fair means instead of being just. For instance, it is unfair for you to kill the rat, for instance. Then the next one is fear, as in you should fear Allah wherever you are. You see this one, fear, and the other one is fair. Then the last one should be what? Scare. Look at how we pronounce it. Scare. Don't scare me. You scared me that day. You scared me. That is how we pronounce it. So these are the pronunciation of these words. Thank you for listening.